Yo, what is good, my Breadflakes viewers? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video on this channel, and this video is going to be a Supreme pickup video. All of the items I'm going to be showing you guys are from week 1. Everything freaking finally got here. It took forever, and I know if you guys did order anything from Supreme recently, you guys are probably like waiting on your packages like I was. But yeah, so one of the items that I did cop did get canceled, and I'm very bummed out about it because it's pretty high up there in resale value. It was a Skull Pile hoodie. Retail was like $200, and I believe round 2 had it up for like $350. Your boy was just trying to get profit or use it as trade bait for another piece or something like that. But it did get canceled, so I'll just show you guys what I got from week 1 right now. Alright, you guys, so what was weird about the Supreme drop was that every package that I ordered came in separately, but all of these items I did purchase, which was crazy. I purchased these all together in one cart. So I got the Skull Pile hoodie, which got canceled, a Skull Pile deck, which came in first, and then the backpack, which came in second, and then the t-shirts came in last, and it took like a month for the t-shirts to come in. So if you guys are ordering from Supreme lately, I know you guys are, a lot of us are frustrated with the shipping. I don't know what they're doing with that. But I did get all my packages finally, so I'm pretty happy about that. But Supreme, I doubt you're watching this, but work on your shipping, because a lot of people are upset that, you know, items came in randomly, items came in separately when you guys ordered it in one package. I know that's nothing in my control, you guys are doing your thing, but the whole new shipping thing, I swear Supreme never had that issue until now, because I did hear that they changed their whole, you know, program or whatever the case is, who they're partnering with. I'm rambling off too much, I'm sorry. Let's just show you guys what I picked up. So I did get the Skull Pile deck, which is right here. I'll show you guys that right now. This one came in first, and it was like 2 weeks after the drop I got it in. So Pedro, if you're watching this, let me know if you want it. I'll give it to you for a bill. I feel like that's a steal because these are going for like 200. But yeah, so you're the homie, Pedro. If you want this, let me know. Yeah, so Skull Pile deck, Supreme on the front, white lettering. Oh shit. Yeah, my bad. White lettering. It didn't come with the Skull Pile sticker, which made no sense. It just came with a box logo. But yeah, so both sides, Juicy J, 3 6 Mafia. I forgot what song it was, but I guess he was wearing a t-shirt with this print on it. I gotta stay till I die. Alright, you guys, so that was the first pickup, Skull Pile deck. I am gonna get rid of this. I don't want to keep it for myself just because I'd rather use the money towards something else. But I do have 2 t-shirts that I like to show you guys, and I did get the last one in yesterday. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the one that I kept for myself. This is the Supreme small script fuck the world t-shirt. I'm sorry for cussing if you guys are a little, you know, a little young, but I got this one in the navy color, and this is navy with the orange writing. I think that's super sick and super subtle. So Supreme right there, orange writing, size large, pre-shrunk, USA. And then on the back, like the back of, like the top of the neck, it says fuck the world, which is true. Last year they had the whole campaign with fuck the president, so fuck Donald Trump. And then also, yeah, so they're making another statement, fuck the world, because the world does suck, but it's a dog on dog world. I don't know what the hell I'm saying, but yeah, so Supreme right there. Stitch tee. I thought this was super nice, and I'm very excited to have a t-shirt like this in my rotation. So there's that right there. And then the second one I don't want to open because this is one I have for sale. This is a size medium. You guys know I don't wear my size mediums, but if you wear a size medium, this is on the web store. It's Supreme in peach, and then it says Supreme in blue writing, and then on the back it says F the world. Size medium, 100%. Cotton, pre-shrunk, made in USA. So this is on the website for $60. If you guys are interested in it or anything on the website, check the link down below. The website has been, you know, doing fairly decent lately, but if you guys want to support me, go ahead and cop something off the website. And if you guys have any requests for something like, oh, we want to see more smalls or mediums, just let me know, and I'll put more of that size on the web store. But go ahead and support me and check out the web store. It means a lot to me. I actually really like going to the post office and shipping you guys stuff, so I feel like I'm giving back to you guys. But yeah, so go ahead, check out the website, and then yeah, this is on there. Time to move on. Sorry, talking too much, I don't know, but yeah, this is on the website, so go ahead and check it out. Get it off my hands, please. Alright, you guys, so with the last, I don't know what I'm doing. With the last pickup in the video, I did pick up a Supreme backpack. I keep looking at the viewfinder, I am sorry. But yeah, so I did pick up a Supreme backpack in the tan colorway. You got Supreme on the script. I think the side bag is so sick, and I'm so pissed that I slept on that, because whenever I see somebody with the Supreme like little, you know, little band right there like that, I thought that was super nice, and I'm so mad because I have to pay resale for that little side bag. But I will be getting one in soon, hopefully. But yeah, so picked up the Supreme backpack. You guys already know, I'm sure you guys already seen this. Expect me to wear this a lot on the vlog channel, and all that stuff, and when I go travel. So Supreme bag, there you go. Supreme pickups, there you go. Didn't really pick up a lot, but I just wanted to show you guys in a video, of course, because you guys really like to see what I pick up, I guess. I don't know, but yeah, let's just, yeah. Alright you guys, so that wraps up the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit the thumbs up button for me. It goes a long way. I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up from Supreme, and hopefully I do pick up more this year. I'm pretty excited about that. And then I also wanted to remind you guys that this is on the web store. Links to the web store down below. Go ahead and check that out. If you guys do purchase this t-shirt alongside with like another vintage t-shirt that I have on the web store, I will throw in like 5 stickers, and then also whatever miscellaneous items that I have, like shoelaces I have in here. Anything in this box I will throw in randomly with your order if you guys do purchase another t-shirt with the Supreme tee, or you guys could just buy the Supreme tee and I'll throw in a box logo, whatever the case is. But yeah, so links to everything down below, guys. Thank you guys for all the support. If you guys are watching to the end, I appreciate y'all. And then yeah, so go ahead and check out everything in the link in the bio. What the fuck? Go ahead and check out everything down below in the bio. Thank you guys for all the support. You guys have a good day. I'm talking too much, but hopefully you guys have a good day. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace. Walk.